Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me. I have some new products that I bought from Sephora because the VIB sale is ongoing right now at Sephora. So I have my base on. I applied the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer primer as my first step. Before, of course, I did apply sunscreen, and then I put the NYX Glaze skin tint. I didn't show this part because these are not new products, and as well I put on my lips just to prep the lips the Revolution Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss. I don't think I showed you this product in any video. I will of course add it in a speed review. I do like this lip gloss. It is plumping, but not in the painful kind of way. It is more like that mentally kind of feeling. Then I bought this concealer. This is the Revolution Skin Silk Under Eye Brightener and Concealer. This one is not a first impression, but I wanted to use it today because I do have a skin tint on, so I want to see how this one looks. This is very low coverage, and it's not my favorite. I'm gonna keep it just because it is interesting. It has like a metal applicator, so it is cooling under the eyes. You can really apply like a really good quantity of this and it will not look cakey. That's great, but it will not cover that much. So in my opinion, this is not a spot concealing, and it doesn't say that it's for that. It is a brightening concealer, but I feel like I would have loved just a bit more coverage, and at the same time it is very I don't know, kind of shiny. So overall it's not my favorite. And if you are seeing that my eye is twitching, I have no idea what is that, because it's been like that for the past 2 days, and yeah, I think I am a bit tired, but who knows. So overall, this concealer, if you like a more natural low coverage concealer, I think it is a good one. But if you are expecting it to be a concealer as well as a brightener, in my opinion this is a brightener, so it is better on top of other concealers. But for me, I don't have dark circles under the eyes, so in general a good product, but not for me in particular, and that is totally okay. So I could recommend this one for somebody else, but not for me. Then let's talk about the items that I purchased from Sephora. I purchased this one, so let's apply it. It is the Too Faced Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. I got the lightest shade, the chocolate mousse shade. I wanted a bit of a darker shade, but I was a bit afraid. This packaging is so sexy. I really like it. So let's apply it on the cheek directly. It smells like orange chocolate. I don't love orange chocolate, but it smells so delicious, and it is blending really nicely. It's pretty dark when you are applying it, but it seems to be blending really easily. I am so happy about that. I did finish my Rare Beauty bronzer stick, so I just wanted something new, and I really wanted to purchase the new ABH bronzer, but it was not available, and I was like, I heard some good things about this Too Faced one, so let's buy this one instead. I do like the packaging more than the Rare Beauty one, but yeah, let's not compare them. They are both incredible products, and I'm curious how this one will wear as well. Let's put the blush. I want to use the Natasha Denona blush again. This is the specific brush that I'm using with this blush because it is a bit specific. It doesn't work with anything, but with this one it looks perfect. So I'm gonna put it on the cheeks, and this is a Sigma F43. Kosas is now available at our Sephora, which is very exciting. And actually I saw some products from Charlotte Tilbury. I know that it is very old news for everybody on this planet, but maybe we are getting Charlotte Tilbury. I am so excited, even though I don't want a specific product from the brand. I cannot open this one. I'm just trying in here. Even though I don't want a specific product from them, I am so excited to just be able to swatch them or to see it online. So this is the Kosas Cloud Set powder in the shade Breezy. I don't have another pressed powder except the Essence one that is for sure not a good powder, so I decided to purchase this one. Pressed powders are not my absolute favorite ones, but I just missed just a tiny bit the NYX one, so I decided to buy this one. So I'm using my favorite Nabla Precision Powder Brush. Let's see. I saw that this has some shimmer in it, so I will apply it first in here just to see if I am able to see the... Do I pick up some product or... Okay, it is a baked powder, so it is a bit harder to pick up product. It doesn't look shimmery, so let's pick up a bit more and just apply it under the eyes. I just want to wear this one today. I have a matte primer and the sunscreen is pretty matte, so even though the... Why am I blinking? Even though the skin tint is a bit more shiny, I think we should be decently okay with this powder alone. It's not a heavy duty powder from what I can tell, but it is very smoothing. It looks so damn nice. But I'm afraid that this will get hard pan because I'm dipping in here a million times. It is baked, so I'm picking up a small amount of product each time, but so far it looks really great. And from time to time I do like just a bit more of a glowy look and just apply pressed powder and not the heavy duty Huda powder. That is my absolute favorite one. It looks flawless. So far I am so impressed with the products that I purchased. I'm so happy. It looks very smoothing and yeah, I really like it so far. I want to apply this one on top as a highlighter slash blush, just to set the blush as well and to apply some just some highlighty effect. So I'm using a fluffier brush. This is an old BH cosmetic brush and I'm gonna put just a tiny bit to get something on the cheeks. I didn't mention this is the Sephora colorful blush. This is a newer product as well. And to finish up the face, I bought a setting spray. This is the Easy Bake setting spray from Huda Beauty. I bought it in the mini format just because I want to taste it out, but this is mattifying as well, I suppose, so we need to shake well. It has niacinamide, hyaluronic acids, no alcohol, no fragrance, made in Italy. Okay, I'm gonna shake this one well and let's apply it. I'm very curious how it will look on the skin. I think I ate some, but this sprayer, this is my favorite sprayer. I said what I said. Maybe the Charlotte Tilbury is close to this one, but wow. I was able to keep it so close to my face and it was diffusing it just so nicely. Let me show you. I don't know if you... How do I do that? I don't know if you saw it, but it's just dispersing. Wow. Okay. It's so nice. I have just a dot right here. I hope that's not gonna disturb my makeup, but let's just blend it. So now I'm gonna do brows and eyes off camera because I don't have anything new and I want as well to film a short, so I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back and we can do the lips. Okay, brows and the eyes are done. I'm gonna list down below as usual everything that I have on my face, but I used a combo of these two palettes to create this eye look, the Makeup by Mario and the Pat McGrath mini palette. And for brows I used as usual the NYX pencil and the Rare Beauty brow gel. Let's do lips. I decided on this one. This is the Makeup Forever, the old formula of pencil. This is the shade Anywhere Caffeine. And for gloss I decided on this one. This is the House Labs lip glaze. I have the shade Cocoa in here. Not a new product, but I really love this one. I do have 2 or 3 lip products that are matte, but I just don't like them on my lips. They are emphasizing every crack on my lips, so yeah, I don't prefer them. I really like a gloss. So the new trend, it's good for me because I'm not gonna buy anything so that's nice for my wallet. But yeah, this is the final look. I really did enjoy everything that I bought, and I'm so happy with the Kosas powder. The setting spray I need to test more, but the sprayer is incredible. The Too Faced cream bronzer, I could maybe apply a bit more right now, but usually I do apply a powder bronzer on top of a cream one just because it adds more color and it stays longer and everything, so I prefer that combo. But this one is melting into the skin. The name is perfect for it. It is just very easy to blend and very easy to apply. Overall, I really like this makeup and I'm very happy to wear it today. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.